Sa pagdinig, nilinaw ni Mijaldea na walang ginawang gentleman's agreement ang dating Pangulong Duterte at President Xi kasunod ng 8 beses na pagkikita ng dalawang lider mula noong 2016 hanggang 2018.
In my capacity as Executive Secretary, I was able to attend 2 of the official meetings between former President Duterte and President Xi. First was the state visit of President Xi in the Philippines sometime in November 2018, and the second was on the official visit of President Duterte to China in August 2019. Secretary Locsin was present in all those meetings. Of these 2 official meetings I attended, no gentleman's agreement ever took place between former President Duterte and President Xi.
Dagdag pa niya, ipinagpatuloy lamang ng Duterte administration kung anong napagkasunduan ng Aquino administration sa China noong 2013 sa ilalim ni dating Defense Secretary Voltaire Gazmin. Yun ay ang pagsusupply lamang ng pagkain at tubig para sa tropa na militar na nakaistasyon sa BRP Sierra Madre sa Ayungin Shoal at ang hindi pag-repair sa kinakalawang na World War II warship.
The decision on the West Philippine Sea dispute came out on July 12, barely 12 days after the Duterte